Why does your scanner show the P2135 engine code? What does it mean? P2135, throttle pedal position, sensor, switch, AB voltage correlation. It indicates an issue with the throttle control system in your vehicle. This code is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a problem with the voltage transmission from the throttle component. When this code appears, you should stop driving and immediately repair your vehicle. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty sensors. Faulty ECM. Wiring issues. Cracked wiring harnesses. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD2 vehicles, especially comes in Toyota Camrys and Nissan Altimas. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.